Hey guys. So I just want to tell you quickly about the theme pages. Amazon influencer, Amazon affiliate. So this is the new gold rush, right? It has not even reached any type of capacity yet. People are, joining and this is your opportunity. Q4 is around the corner. It is literally weeks away, okay? And if you get started now, you can be an Amazon affiliate. You can go to Amazon affiliate and sign for free. You just need about 200 followers. Then you apply for the influencer program. Once you apply for the influencer program, now you're considered to be an Amazon influencer. Now, the next step would be to get approved for on-site commissions. What is on-site commissions? On-site commissions is just basically saying that you can get paid to be on the listing of all of the items. So Amazon got 100, 3, 4, 500 million items. You can literally do reviews on 400, 500 million items and get on those listings. So basically that's what the on-site commissions is. So you become an affiliate, become an influencer, then you get on-site commissions. Now the next thing is creating a theme page. Okay, you create a theme page for Amazon, and now you can be able to sell kitchen gadgets. You can sell household stuff, and all of this is through your affiliate link. You don't have to set up no website or nothing. I'm going to show you guys my storefront. I have an Amazon storefront, so it's different from setting up like an Amazon drop shipping store. So this is like an Amazon storefront that Amazon gives you. You just upload your picture, you upload your logo, you're able to create content, and then you're able to put, some of the stuff that you have. Here goes one of the glasses that I'm actually selling, right? So here's one of the glasses that I'm selling, right? So I have that in my Amazon, storefront. Here's one of the tents. I'm gonna show you guys the tents that I actually have. So I'm selling this in my Amazon storefront. And all I did was just put it in my storefront, and then I can tell people about it, and then I can make, commissions from that. Here go these little fans, right? Like people like to feel cool, every day. So these are there also too. And you can just put whatever. So now I have a Amazon, not an Amazon, but I have a theme page, right? And one of my theme pages called Lux Nails Designs. Well, Lux Nails Gallery. So all of this stuff is nail stuff, right? So now when I start posting pictures and I start posting reels, and the reels start, to get shared, and people start liking, and people start following the page, now they can actually come to my store and buy any of this stuff. Now, what I love about how Amazon works is if they buy something and they're cookie to you, they buy something and they're cookie to you for 24 hours. Anything that they buy, you'll get a commission. Not just on the nails, not just on the glasses, not just on, the books or whatever they click on. It's just whatever they click on, you will actually get paid. So I'm going to show you guys, I just started, right? So don't miss this boat. I'm telling you, I just started my Lux nail page. I love nails, right? So this is a way to get paid to do what you love. I love nails. So I ain't got my nails on now, right? But I'm going to get my nails back, right? And I love nails. In my previous videos, you guys can see, I got long nails. I love nails. I love nail designs. I could watch nails literally, all freaking day. Like I could post nails all freaking day. Now, these are a bit much. These are just a bit much, but I like them and I had posted them. These are cute, right? I'm just showing you guys, like you can literally start creating pages on things that you love to do, right? We have a way to get things set up for you. If you don't want to do it, my assistant, she can do it for you. But if you say, I want to learn how to do this, all you got to do is to go to the AmazonInfluencerProgram.com. The program is $97 one time. We show you how to get approved within the system. Once you get approved, then I'm doing a free training, for you, for the people that's in. I think I got about 15 people in already. So those 15 people, we will now go over how to create your own theme pages. If you don't have the time and, you got an extra, some extra money, you can pay my assistant to set all of this stuff up for you. They'll send you content to post, hashtags, to use to grow it organically. You ain't got to spend no money on advertising. You ain't got to spend money on none of this, extra stuff, right? To have a branded page. Here goes my logo. I have my assistant just do a logo for me. Guys, this is not hard. This is going to be the easiest money that you ever make. All you got to do is set the page up one time. And then of course, consistency, adding the content. And you can do that 3 times a day. We give you the hashtag. We show you the hashtags. My assistant, like, she'll do that for you for a one-time fee to show you, you know, where to go and get all the different hashtags and things of that nature, guys. So this is the way. Right? Amazon affiliate, Amazon influence, on-site commissions, and then creating theme pages so that you can get paid $3,000 to $5,000 a month. $3,000 to $5,000 a month, growing pages organically, right? So that people will go to your page, like the Shade Room grew organically, right? Hollywood Unlocked grew organically. All of these money pages grew organically. These vegan pages grow organically. These credit pages grow organically. These weight loss pages grow organically, right? And it's just now a matter of you getting yourself a page out there too that can grow organically, and people could just be sharing it, right? I always share, I have a prayer page that I follow. They always posting prayers, right? So I like, you know, to pray in the morning. So I don't just get on social media and start looking at the other stuff. I start looking at prayers and start praying, and I share it, right? So those are prayer pages. I got millions and millions and millions of followers that they grew organically. So it's time to learn something new, right? Every year there's something new to learn within the system. It's something new to learn, with business. It's something new to learn, online. It's simple affiliate marketing. Okay, it's simple affiliate marketing, and you can get the $10 ebook. It's simple affiliate marketing. It's just now Amazon cranked it up a notch and said, okay, well, if you want to be an influencer and get on-site commissions, somebody literally can go. Like, I got these glasses on Amazon. If I did a video and Amazon put my video as one of the reviewer videos on, right, to the listing, and someone actually watched it and they clicked on the link and bought it from my video, I would get paid. Amazon right now is giving $12,500 for 500 videos. You could do 30-second videos. You could just crank those out. You could just look at your Amazon list and start doing videos, just cranking them out. Now, will some of them get approved? Most of them will get approved. Some may not. Of course, your lighting got to be great, and you got to do a review, like a real review on the product. So this is going to be the easiest money, guys, that you don't have to set up no website. You ain't got to worry about branding. You ain't got to worry about colors. You ain't got to worry about logos. You ain't got to worry about setting up merchants accounts. You ain't got to worry. Guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be the easiest money that you are ever going to make with Amazon from the comfort of your home. So click the link below, Amazon affiliate programs.com, and make sure you follow my Lux page, right? Because this page will grow organically. Okay, it's going to grow organically. I literally just started. One of the videos already has 145 views, like literally. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the last video literally has 145 views. That's it. And we show you exactly what to do in any niche: babies, women, money, prayer, motivation, women, glasses, nails, credit, anything you want. And we show you how to do PLR, which is having any type of ebook, right? Digital product that people can download for $10, $20 ebook, and you could be making millions of dollars. People making millions of dollars from a doggone $10 ebook on credit faceless theme pages. It's insane, guys. So click on the link below, Amazon influencerprograms.com. I will see you guys in class.